Welcome to Hangzhou, Zhejiang province. This is a 360 video, so use the joypad on the top left of the screen to move the video to any angle you want. And if it's a little bit blurry, use that cogwheel on the settings and whack it up to the highest quality. So I'm about to take a walk through the street market here, and they're selling all types of food, so let's go and have a look. The Chinese love their food, and these queues are insane.
盐酱后蘸上火炉，多次翻炒，鸡翅包饭色香味美，软酥内嫩，是鸡翅与糯米的完美结合。欢迎品尝，鸡翅爱大米，鸡翅爱大米，鸡翅爱大米，好吃的美食说3遍。
Look at the queue for this place. Must be good. See what they're selling. I'm not even sure what it is. Some kind of cake. Maybe some kind of chocolate cake or something. Duck's head over there.